epic backyard snowball fight. Is team 1 ready? Is team 2 ready? Fight! Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Hi, Amber.
Sorry.
Today is gonna be a good day because it's Amber's brother's, Aaron's 30th birthday, and we're just gonna give him like endless hard times today.
Decoration.
It's gonna be so funny. Which, I am about 3 years older than Aaron, so I hit 30 3 years ago. And you know what? 30's great. And
I don't know, I'm not there yet.
Amber's almost there. Just a couple more years. Hey, in less than a week, Amber is having LASIK eye surgery. She has worn glasses since she was
12 years old.
12, mostly contacts.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
It's gonna be awesome.
I know, I'm just gonna be able to see.
Woohoo! What are you doing? What kind of face is that? Holy cow. What is going on?
I don't know.
It's crazy.
I'm eating them off of my coat.
So we came to Costco to get the cheesecake for Aaron's birthday, and oh my goodness, when we came out, it's snowing Dippin' Dots. You know that ice cream? Have you guys ever had that ice cream? That's like the round little balls. It's not regular snow at all. It's like Dippin' Dots. It's so weird.
Yeah.
Maybe all those conspiracy theories about the climate control and stuff are actually real.
Maybe God's sending it.
Yep. Man, it's so crazy.
It hit me right in the ear.
The ear hole? The ear ball?
In my ear hole. Oh, wait,
okay.
wait, let's open this up.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Okay, now you guys, if you didn't know what I was talking about, now you can see. So strange.
I don't know if we should open this.
No, probably not.
No,
Crazy.
because then it'll like let it all over.
So honestly, part of me was a little disappointed that it was snowing because I'm just ready for spring. I want to plant our garden, do everything that comes with spring. But man, I love snow. It's so beautiful and peaceful, and there's just something about it that you just can't beat. And also I'm squinting like crazy because the sun reflecting off the snow is just so bright. Oh my goodness. Let's go finish the snowman.
Uh-oh, we need another stick for the arms. We need another stick, Daddy.
All right, hold on. Let's build the face first.
I
You just gotta jam it in there.
Oh, there we go.
His head's gonna fall off. All right, guys, this is the finished product. Look at this guy. He kind of looks like Olaf a little bit.
Yeah, because
Don't you
he
think?
is Olaf.
Is that what you named him?
Yeah.
He looks pretty cool. I like him. So he's got grape eyes, carrot nose, grape buttons,
And a little hat.
And 2 twigs for arms. Girls, you know what I think? I think you did a fantastic job. Good job, girls.
Thanks.
You're welcome. How's it going?
Stop eating that. There you go. It's my grandma.
Grandpa, how's it going?
If you don't eat your blueberries and take care of yourself, that's what happens.
You girls are looking ready for the snow.
Come on, Sissy.
Okay, bye kiddos. With dinner?
Dinner.
Why are you a little hoppy hopper?
Hey, we should do a slow-mo snowball fight outside. You guys down?
Yep. Where's it? Oh gosh, it hit me through the fence. Oh no, here she comes! Oh no!
Game time.
So we have to blow the ball. I have to blow it to Amber and she has to blow it back to me. I really hope we win.
Oh, okay. If it falls out, we have to start over.
Oh, okay.
No harder!
Done! Yeah, baby! We got second place. Yep. Woohoo! Capri! Capri, good job, kiddo! Oh my gosh! Thanks for watching. Peace out, homies.
Boo!